Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Peru from jamtoursafrica.com family. And in this video, family, our Jamaican brother just coming at the place. The same brother who actually bought at Loftel family a few months ago. So I just want to share this testimonial story with you guys, that you guys can understand that you don't actually need to be in Kenya if you come with Jam Tours on this journey. You don't need to be in Kenya to start an invest family. The money, buy the apartment, invest in the mushroom business and stuff like that. Even our brother who invest in the jerk pan business and then not even come to Kenya yet family. So at them type of approach here, more see the man them make and the people them make family. Like the step what this guy take right now is a big step. You know what I mean? No risk, no reward. And that's once you buck up on a man like Jam Tours, you know, say yo, you know what I mean? I don't love to swindle nobody out of money and scam nobody. I do this from my heart and just see and know that. You know what I mean? That money doesn't even matter. But because we live in a world where money is matter, it has to matter. So I just saw the thing work family. So today guys, I don't know if you want to be on the, want to be on the camera or what, but I just want to make you guys know that what Jam Tour is doing is real and true, and people really tapping into the thing, and I find the opportunity and I come in at the place. So this man buying thing, he invest in a mushroom business. Mushroom business is a big business family. So I'm gonna go on the farm and show you guys what I go on. It's our Jamaican brother actually doing this family, and you know when you're working with Jamaicans, you know the thing turn up. You know what I mean? Because anything we touch turn gold. You know what I mean? So you better know. So you have the mushroom farm and you have other. These are like serious business family that you can make money from this. You invest 500 shillings to be a part of this franchise business and the market in Kenya right now. The man tell me say I want to go to Tanzania, I want to go run the market in the mushroom thing. So some serious thing family. Say invest a 4,000, 5,000 US, and every month you collect more than your rent money and where you can survive in Kenya. So if you go somewhere, you have your 5,000 in the bank right now in the US, you say, John, I look for a way out in a life. You have the 5,000. You come and you throw it in the mushroom business, and you come to Kenya, and the returns where you get for that, I pay your rent, and make you eat food, and make you see other business opportunity family. And that's the thing when I try to preach and I teach to you guys. Say, yo, if you're smart, you don't need a whole lot of money to come in Africa. The opportunity there for your family. And whereas when they have people foreigner who come back and I do the thing and I create opportunity, you get the best opportunity. Because you know scamming is rampant over here, so and you have to actually, connect with the right people to actually be successful. You know what I mean? So when I share them things, our people seeing is believing. They tell live vision already corrupt and brainwash and you know what I mean about Africa already, so people scared. People, you know what I mean, now not trust. You talk about big business in Africa, people I feel like say, yo, John, I invest my money because the place is too unstable based on what I see on the internet. So when you have a man like Jam Tours right now come and I try to show you the thing, I show and tell, real life, unedited, we just record and upload. See what I'm saying? While me get the download. So I saw the thing said family. So when you actually think about coming to Africa, this is the way you want to come, like how this man you come. The man link up Jam Tours, say, hey Jam Tours, boom boom boom, apartment, boom boom boom. Need some other investment, boom boom boom, we come up on the mushroom business, boom boom boom. So I saw the thing said family. Now you're coming to the place, you feel nice. You have your brother around you, where I guide you, and now you roll out like you're in Jamaica, because I be a Jamaicans that you're there around, and I be a people, you know what I mean, international people you and them can connect and roll with. You know what I mean? You still gonna need a local, because anything when I do, me actually involve a local in it. You know what I mean? But when you come and you have your Jamaicans bridging them around you, it's like blood clots, like back in New York in the 90s when man fly up and link up and you have all these clique and, you know what I mean, and posse and all kind of thing. So when they come in Africa, the same situation family, but we are come back with an economic situation where we are going to control and dominate and create jobs and, group economics. We support each other while we build this community, just like how the Indian and come here. The Indian have a big community over here to family, and them have say. You know what I mean? Them might not, the government. One thing I like with Kenyan government, you just need a man like, like Abraham right now in Burkina Faso. Because what I like with the government in Kenya is that see no other race of people, only Africans from different tribes in the parliament, and we see no other African country have Muzungu man from all over the world in the parliament and from other race and other nation. So I applaud Kenya for that. I like how the Kenya thing, there's somewhere up in Mount Kenya there's an elder, who is actually in control of all. So that's another thing, that's man law and God law. So, if you don't understand the balance, then you get carried away. Because Jam Tours understand man law, Jah law is above Allah, the Most High law is above Allah, and that's what allow Jam Tours sometimes to break the law. Because I have understand that there is this is just man law. I understand there is a higher law, and once you follow the higher law, trust me family, you break man-made law. That's what the thing said, family, but yeah. I put on a real reggae tour. Yeah. Live reggae band tour to Jamaican artists on stage.
Yeah. In the gardens, waiting for you.
Yeah, the praise and blow a Caribbean branch, and them song you play. Yeah. Baba.
Oh yeah. sunny ways. And when the refreshing rain comes down, it makes my day. Oh please, oh breeze, can you blow her fragrance? Oh yeah, oh there's a lot of common ground that we can change. a billion lapis, billion fathers with a billion practice, billion families and some outside countries. Can't keep it all your black cells. Not proud of from the black shells. Not ready to preserve our faith. Not riches is more than wealth. I need more tempo. So when I said music only, music only, music only, music only. can't do it without others. You know, all women are beautiful. But you know when it's beautiful, when it's beautiful, when you have a virtuous woman. Virtuous woman. Virtuous woman. Virtuous woman. Be straight. For all you want is perpetrate. Life is for all self-discriminate. Individualize and eliminate. Unifies me. Isolate from eternal slavery. Let's emancipate. True bravery. Congratulate. Another empress is gaining weight. Far from it, I hit it out, I am gay. Circling.
Take it away. Our one and only Salma Queen. Yeah. Do you want more? Burn Babylon. Burn Babylon. Burn Babylon.
Music.